Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to change the author of a post on your WordPress website. The new Gutenberg editor is out, but many of you are still using the old classic editor, so we're going to go through this procedure for both of the editors. To change the author in the classic editor, log into your dashboard and click on the post you want to change the author for. Next, go to Screen Options in the upper right portion of the editor and make sure the author box is checked. Now scroll down and find the author field. Open it and select the author you want from the menu. Now we're going to take a look at how to change the author of a post using the Gutenberg editor. Here, the author-related options are located within the post itself in the Document tab. In both the classic and the new editor, you can quickly change the author without even entering the post. Go to All Posts, hover over the post you want to change the author for, and click on Quick Edit. The author menu will open up and you can change the author of that one specific post. Now if you want to change the author for more than one post, go to All Posts, select the posts, go to Bulk Actions, Edit, and then click on Apply. Select the new author and click on Update. Again, these steps apply to both the classic editor and the new Gutenberg one. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.